Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, I will show you how to enable and use Beautify mode in DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Let's begin. First, we need to change our type from photo to movie. This is because we have no parameters here whatsoever. So let's change it to video. And now, as you can see, we have our video looking pretty good. And in order to access the settings, we want to go and swipe from the right to the left like this. But you can see that our Beautify mode is unfortunately disabled. This is because we need to disable the film tone before doing any changes. So let's go into film tone, let's scroll all the way up, and let's disable this. Also, if you have any other effects, you will probably also need to disable those. And now we can go into Beautify like this. And, well, we do have some options, but we don't really see any of those changes. So I'm going to switch my camera by triple tapping. Hello there! And as you can see now, we have the ability to see the difference, and I'm also going to lock my face in place, so it won't really move around that much. So, first option is the smoothness. It should smooth out our face, and we can also bump up the effect to 5 or lower it down if we want to. We also have the brightness, which basically just brightens up our face, so we are looking, I guess, more happy? Not sure. And finally we have skin tone, sorry for that, and skin tone has different options. The original is our, well, original face, but we can make ourselves look more tanned, like that. We can also make ourselves look more warmer. This is basically the same as tanned, but slightly lower. We also have light option, and finally fair, and I believe that fair should be like somewhere in between, not exactly sure. But yeah, if you want to, this is how you can enable the Beautify mode. But you don't really need to do that, because you're already beautiful. But yeah, that's all for this video. If you enjoyed that, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. I will see you very soon. Bye!